Hi there everybody. On today's video I have this key that belongs to an Audi A3. This is off of 2007 well, many Audis use this type of key anyway. So I'm going to be changing the battery inside of it for the remote. We have a little flashing light in there that indicates whether the battery is charged or not. This one is functioning okay, but just for the purpose of showing how it's done, I'm making this video. Now if we turn the key and we use a flathead screwdriver, we can just put it in here and lift this little cover. This cover will lift it up. And that's where the battery is. So you can take that battery out. That is a 2032. So just get your new battery. Push it down in there. And then you can put that cover back on there. And press it in. And that's it. You can then check your LED light there. So anyway, hope this video helps and thanks for watching.